There is a lot of confusion when it comes to the terms residence permit, settlement permit, and citizenship, Aufenthaltserlaubnis, Niederlassungserlaubnis, and Einbürgerung. From this video, you will learn the difference between them, requirements for obtaining the latter two, understand if dual citizenship is allowed. We will also talk about possible changes in the immigration law and their benefits for the foreign people who want to permanently settle in Germany. Please give this video a thumbs up if this topic is relevant to you, subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on, not to miss more important information. It's Nexus-Europe GmbH, your safe and reliable bridge to Germany. Our company assists foreigners with starting and developing their own successful business in Germany and moving to Germany through business immigration or the EU Blue Card. Please contact us for an individual solution. Residence permit, Aufenthaltserlaubnis. Alright, let's start with Aufenthaltserlaubnis. It is a residence permit that is issued for a limited period of time and for a specific purpose. For example, if you open a company in Germany, you may be eligible for a residence permit for the purpose of self-employment. A temporary residence permit is usually issued for up to 4 years depending on its type and has to be renewed after that time. You are welcome to watch our previous videos about residence permit for the self-employed as well as other common types of residence permits. We'll leave links to them in the description below. Settlement permit, Niederlassungserlaubnis. Today, let's focus more on the topic of Niederlassungserlaubnis. It can be translated into English as permanent residence permit or settlement permit. As opposed to a regular temporary residence permit, Aufenthaltserlaubnis, a settlement permit is not limited in time. It also allows you to work in Germany. A settlement permit can only be obtained if certain requirements are fulfilled. Please note that these requirements can change with time and are different depending on the location, situation, and the type of your residence permit. Here is the general list. Number 1. Having had a residence permit in Germany for 5 years. Number 2. Speaking German at B1 level. Number 3. Basic knowledge of the legal and social order and living conditions in Germany. Number 4. Secured livelihood through your own income. Number 5. Pension plan. You need to have paid mandatory contributions for at least 60 months. Number 6. Sufficient health insurance for yourself and your family members. Number 7. No criminal record. These are the main requirements. However, for some groups of people, other requirements apply. For example, the list would change for the following groups: refugees and those entitled to political asylum, graduates of German universities, family members of German citizens, qualified specialists, holder of the EU Blue Card, self-employed, children from 16. One of the differences for the self-employed is that you may apply for a settlement permit after having had a residence permit for entrepreneurial activity for 3 years. However, further requirements are that your business is successfully established and you can ensure livelihood for yourself and your family members through your income. One of the fastest ways to get a settlement permit in Germany exists for the holders of the EU Blue Card. They may apply for a settlement permit after having worked in Germany for 33 months in case of having basic knowledge of German at A1 level, or after having worked in Germany for 21 months in case of having sufficient knowledge of German at B1 level. Citizenship by naturalization, Einbürgerung. After having lived in Germany for a while, you may be eligible for Einbürgerung, getting the German citizenship by naturalization. The requirements may slightly vary depending on the situation, however the main of them are as follows. Number 1. Having continuously lived in Germany for 8 years. In some cases, it might be 7 or even 6 years. Number 2. Having a valid settlement permit, an EU Blue Card, or in some cases a temporary residence permit at the moment of application. Number 3. Having successfully passed the naturalization test, Einbürgerungstest. Number 4. Having sufficient knowledge of the German language. Number 5. Secured livelihood. Number 6. No criminal record. Number 7. Commitment to the free democratic basic order of the Basic Law of the Federal Republic of Germany. Number 8. Currently, rejection of any other citizenship you had before. There are certain cases in which dual citizenship is allowed. Currently, the German government considers some changes to the law that might allow dual or multiple citizenships in the future. It is also being discussed that the number of years after which it is possible to apply for the German citizenship could be reduced to 5 or in some cases even to 3 years. If the respective changes to the law are adopted, we will inform you about them, so please stay tuned. Nexus-Europe GmbH is happy to assist foreign entrepreneurs with starting and developing their own successful business in Germany and moving to Germany through business immigration or the EU Blue Card. Please contact us to get an individual solution. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on not to miss more important information. And let us know in the comments what other topics you'd like us to make videos about, because we work and create new content just for you. Thanks for watching!